Hey everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to swap the Minecraft texture packs in Blender and also how to add the bare bones style aka the Minecraft trailer style texture pack inside the Blender. So let's begin. Also, quick interjection, if you want to get the animation library which uses the BPS Rig version 4, then the link will be in the description. You can purchase it one time and you don't have to become a Patreon member. But if you become a Patreon member, you're going to get additional benefits. But again, you don't have to become a Patreon. You can purchase it as one time for $10 and you're going to get over 40 pre-made, ready to use and loopable animations which you can drag and drop and add inside your animations. Now let's continue. So first thing you need to do is obviously import your world into Blender, and once you import your world, you can select everything, go to the MC Prep and then click on Prep Materials. Obviously those are the first steps if you watch my beginner tutorials. But if you want to swap the texture packs, it's also pretty easy to do. So first of all, make sure to press on A to select your entire world. Now click on N to bring out the side panel and then open up your MC Prep add-on. And now under the Prep Materials, you can see we have the Swap Texture Pack panel. Now you can click this and then load in your texture pack. But first make sure you have the bare bones or any other texture pack downloaded. If you want to get the bare bones Minecraft texture pack, you can get them from different websites. For example, you can get them from this website or from this website as well. I'm gonna leave a link for both of them in the description. Now make sure to download the texture pack and then open up your folder. And then once you download your texture pack, make sure to click on this and then unzip your file. Once you unzip the file, you're gonna get this folder basically. Inside there are gonna be assets and pack. So once we have this folder unzipped, we're gonna go back to Blender, click on Swap Texture Pack inside MC Prep, and then locate your texture pack wherever you saved it. So I'm gonna click here. Now I'm gonna go to my folder where I saved the texture pack, and I click on Bare Bones 1.21 or whichever version you downloaded. I'm gonna click on this. And now we have assets folder, and then we have this thing called pack.png. Now we're gonna click on the pack.png. It's just a grass block over here. But if I double click on it and then wait a few seconds, because Blender is gonna take some time to load it. Now if I wait a few seconds, you can see what happens. I just applied bare bones texture pack to my entire world. As you can see, I just turned my world from default vanilla Minecraft textures to the world which has the bare bones texture pack, aka the Minecraft trailer style environment. And now if I go around the scene and look at the trees, the grass, whatever, the flowers, the stones, everything is gonna have this texture pack applied. And here you can make your animations, or you can make your renders or thumbnails or whatever you want. As you can see, it's pretty easy to do. And if you want to see more Minecraft animation tutorials, then you can check them out on my channel. Also, if you want to get the animation library, which uses the BPS Rig version 4, once again, you can check out the Patreon link in the description. So yeah, be sure to check out the links in the description, or if you don't want to check them out, then you can click on this video or subscribe to the channel, or just watch other content creators as well. Just do whatever you want. But all in all, thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.